Hello everyone, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Whenever you're seeing this video, सबको जय हिंद, नमस्ते, जय भारत. Just give me a minute, guys. Just checking that I'm live or not. Hmm.
यार ट्रिप पे चल रहे हैं.
Yes, I'm live. Nice.
Yes, I'm live. Nice. Yes, I'm live.
I'm
Nice.
just keeping my phone for reference here.
Yes, I'm live.
Okay, let's focus on trading now. Just muting it. Hopefully, my screen is also visible, right? All right. So this is the application. Oh, one second, guys. I'm just sharing my screen. I'm just logging my account. Just give me a minute. So this is actually the demo account that I have, but I will log in with the actual account with from which I trade regularly, right? So I'm just all right. I am sharing my screen again, and yeah. So this is my regular account, and because you can see that we are on the track for the balance as well. Now let me do my default settings that I love to do. All right. So this is 9 EMA and 15 EMA setting. Just let's see the overall picture that where the market is going on. And as you can see that at the higher time frame, that 4 hour time frame, market is at is quite weak, as you can see. And by weak, I can just what I mean from weak is that market is moving in a channel, in a parallel channel. So it might test its lower level as well. And one more thing that I can clearly see is this is the buying zone from where the market took support and went in the higher highs. So this is the picture. We can say that in the higher time frame. So both this lower trend line and this support zone are supporting the market in moving in the up direction. As of in the if you see for the couple of hours, market is quite weak and in the downward direction. So market is quite bearish. But as you can see, right now it is supporting from two factors like lower trend line and the and the this support. So there is a chance that market can touch this extreme again, or might make a new high in the up direction. So we will definitely find a trade in the up direction only, not in the right down direction right now, because the market is at buying zone. If it crosses this support, this green zone and this trend line, then we are interested in the selling side. But as of now, we are bit biased in the up direction, so we'll find the trade in the up direction only. All right. So this is at 15 minutes, and this is at 5 minutes. As you can see, that for 5 minutes, I can see. So market is also following a trend line in the up direction, and it is also making a double top from the up, uh, uh, telling us that there are sellers at this point. But let's see how it will. So, so you can see that this is the selling zone from where the market took the rejection again and again. But as you know, this is the buying zone. This is also the buying zone, and this trend line is also indicating the buying zone. That means if it breaks this selling zone, the recent selling zone that is at this point, and market is taking rejection from this point again and again. So it can be market can make a move till this trend line. So let's see how it will perform. So this is the overall picture that market is performing. Let's see what is happening at gold. So in gold at higher time frame, you can see that there is a buying for past couple of hours. This is the buying trend, but you can't forget the selling zone as well. Although the market is quite far from this selling zone, so it is still there is a hope. There is scope of in the market to reach at this point. So still market has to cover around 670 pips, which is quite big number in gold. And so in gold we are a bit bullish because we can see that for the past couple of hours market is in bullish mode, and right now it is consolidating. So it will definitely give us one more chance to at least touch this point and see how it is performing there. So at 1 hour, you can just see that this is how market is taking a baby steps in up direction, and with each baby steps, the steps getting shorter because it is approaching the selling zone. So this big green candle later on converting in the middle size candle and then almost negligible candles. So this is also showing the presence of sellers at this point, but and this is instantaneous, or you can say the nearby selling zone where the market reversed for quite often. And let's see how it is doing at 15 minutes. So this is making a double top and market reversed. But now this is the great momentum again, and market is respecting the selling zone again. So if a market can break the selling zone, then the next selling zone is this, and market can definitely go to this to just to test it how this will work. So this is the overall analysis of gold. Right now, market is at exactly that level that from where the selling starts. Selling happened last time. As soon as it breaks the selling zone, we are interested in the buying side. Why I've drawn this point. I have to delete it because this is unnecessary. I am keeping my order ready, so I am pretty much interested in the buying side in the Bitcoin. And in gold, yeah, in gold as well, I am interested in the buying side, but after the zone. In Bitcoin, I want because I am interested because this is at upper trend line. Sorry, this is at this is a trend line in the up direction. So market is having different supports. This is the biggest support at 4 hour time frame. This is the support we have. This is a channel actually. So this is the channel. We have a lower trend line channel, and there's quite so many reasons that market have to go in the up direction. If it didn't go, then it's a bad luck for us. But there is a quite good reasons that market can follow the upward move. We have to wait for our setup because right now there is no setup at all. Okay, so in gold, I think it is interested. It is respecting this selling zone, and market is falling from there. Okay, nice. Because from this, as you can see, last time starts falling from it starts falling from this point, and it reached here. So this is also a major selling zone at all. So we have to take care of the zone as well. Okay, in Bitcoin, it just broke two supports. One is from trend line, and another is from this little buying zone. So I punched the buying order. Let's see where I punched my order. So it is at 66018. 66018, 66018, 66018. This one. My stop loss is very low, just below, just lower of this candle, the same candle. And my target is at least this point, because I can sense that there is a buying pressure from downwards direction. And because if this is a trapping, because after seeing this red candle, so many sellers punch their order in the downward direction. Though this is there are multiple support, this support and this support. So market have liquidity in the up direction because there are so many stop losses at this point. If it wants to move in the up direction, then this is a perfect time to move. Up till this point, actually. Closing of this candle is very important. How will it close? 10 more seconds to go. And the closing is quite good. I appreciate the closing of the candle. That means there are presence of buyers at this area. Now we have just have to wait because I think we have identified the good trade. Now let's wait for the target. And also this is the breakdown of this trend line. And if it is a false breakout, then there are so n number of sellers are going to be trapped. So market have the liquidity in the upper direction because there is so much stop loss at this. Okay, it is giving us a pullback as well. So we have to hold our position. Let's see how it will perform. Oh shit! There is a aggressive move in the downward direction. I'm just pointing my pointer to the squaring that position because I don't want to take big loss. I will cut my trade in the stop loss only. So we are watching $100 plus profit twice. That means there are buyers present at this particular area. This is the buying zone, and we took the trade in the buying zone only. If it reverses, then it's unfortunate for us, but I think it's a good trade to take with a small stop loss. Just give me a moment. I'm coming, guys. Just give me a moment. I'm coming, guys. All right. So far, trade is doing good. Uh, this might give us tough competition. This zone, this EMA, because there might be a seller present in this EMA. Let's see. See, if your trade is working fine, then you have to hold your trade. Now, in this trade, I will not take any risk at all. I will cut my trade cost to cost because I have already seen more than $200 profit. Now, this didn't make any sense if you are taking loss of $100, $120 stop loss. Because market has already moved to that extent that the stop loss is not required. Because stop loss is initially required just to see that your trade is good or not. Might be the market phase rejection, and it will take your stop loss. You initially give market some width to breathe, right? As soon as you see that it is moving in your direction, your expected direction, then you can hold your trade. There might be a upper trend line rejection as well. Overall, there is no loss in this trade, so this is a risk-free trade. Only thing we can get from this trade is profit. That's for sure. Either profit or we close at minor 5, 10, $15. That's it. But we will not. So you can just see that it has this upper trend line rejection as well. So sellers are there also, and here also. So let's see if if the market has really the momentum, then it can cross this selling zone and reach at up till here. That's what you can expect. ना दे दिल परदेसी नू नत नत रो ना मैं जाऊंगा टिंग 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 टिंग। Wow, why they are delaying my order again and again? हेलो भैया, कितना टाइम लगेगा आपको?
अभी टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा थोड़ा।
क्योंकि हमने 9:15 पे ऑर्डर किया था, 10 बजने वाले
हेलो।
हैं। हेलो। कॉलियर साहब क्या ही एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं। So we can see that price action is Bitcoin is facing the upper trend of rejection and is reverting. So this candle is not good actually, because after this buying candle, it is facing rejection. And this is the red candle which closed. That means this candle is inside this candle and supporting actually the sellers to push the market in a downward direction. As such, there is no buying coming at all, and you can just see that there is a selling zone. Uh, a big profit is converting to small profit again. Not expecting any buying support at all. So it will definitely come to this support again, because there are selling pressure from upper trend line, and this is very unfortunate. I will cut my trade cost to cost if it reaches this point here. We have seen $380 plus profit in this trade, and from that point, market reversed in such a way that now we are at 140, $150. Although like we have seen 98, $88 as well, but now I think it is taking support from the lower point again. But literally, we have seen more than $380 profit in this trade. But as soon as it reached this point, market faced a rejection. That's the only pain point for us. At 1 hour time frame, if you see, market literally is at a buying point, and from here, buying should come. Buying until this point, because you can see that this is buying zone. Market has took support from this point here, and should have taken the support here as well. There are sellers present at this area, 100%. There are so many sellers who have their positions, who have their stop losses at this area. Don't want buyers to escape this. Just give me a minute, huh? Hello. Hello. अभी भैया लोकेशन देख के बताओ। Extremely sorry, guys. I'm just receiving a call from delivery partner again and again because there's some special occasion in. Oh, all right. So it broke out. Nice. Now it is very near to our target. So let's wait a little bit more because this is a good candle to, and it will definitely support us to hold trade. Also, like it is taking a rejection. Now we will definitely book our profit at this area, at this area. But our target is this. So this is our trailing stop loss. Great, because this is very important candle to break this support, to break this resistance from the upper trend line, because there are so many sellers at this area, and if this is how it breaks, then there is a high chances that it will reach to our target, unless something unusual would can't happen, would not happen, and I think it is happening. So I squared off my position at $316. As soon as I stopped uh, my position out, market is making another move. It gave us a move in downward direction, and this is my trailing stop loss. So I just booked my profit at this trailing stop loss, and now it is moving up. Just as soon as I booked my trailing stop loss, as soon as I booked my order, now it took rejection straight away. Now it is reaching to our profit. Hello, hello, hello. Sorry, guys. Okay, so a decision to because after this, sorry, guys, I just went somewhere. Today is too much interruption. After this big red green candle, market just reversed. What usually happens in price action after such big green candle, this motivates so many buyers to come in, but it eventually from exact this point it is reversing. So I think our decision to book profit at this point is good. Now let's find out some more trades. So today we took only one trade. Let's see, is there any trade in gold? Okay, gold faced a rejection from this point. So it went and touched this point. After touching this point, it just extremely going in the downward direction. So let's see what is happening at gold in 1 hour time frame. At 1 hour time frame, it is at EMA. So it's not good to sell directly from here. Or like it took a rejection from the selling zone that we already marked it. I think it will not respect this EMA. It will definitely come to this point. So I think there is opportunity. There is an opportunity in the gold as well, but we have to be a little bit cautious while punching this trade. So this is 4.611. If we punch our trade with 15, so $75 loss is there, and our target would be at this zone. I think we can do a trade in gold as well. But let's wait for the price action to uphold. We will do one more quality trade. Okay, I'm live again. I'm sharing my screen, guys. All right. What is that? Gold is giving a opportunity to jump in the selling side, but we have to be careful that oh, now Bitcoin just gave us a move in the up direction. That's nice after a long, long time. So it achieved a target, but it took so much time, almost 45, 50 minutes. So I'm just trying deleting all the drawings because now we have to find new trade. So it has reached at this point. This is another selling zone. Let's see how market will respond to the selling zone. Although like at 1 hour time frame, you can see the market successfully took the rejection from this buying zone. So we almost traded from here, but unfortunately we are not able to book the full profit. Although market has touched the profit in 50 minutes, but we are I think we have closed our trade in 20 or 25 minutes. So market is taking the rejection from sorry, support from here, and definitely it will recheck this selling zone again. Guys, I am ending this stream because I uh, have to uh, or I will definitely come after 5 to 10 minutes because this is very interrupting. I don't want this interruption for future. So sorry guys, just pardon me for this time, and I will come back if not today, then definitely tomorrow. So we will continue our trading journey from tomorrow as well. Let me see if there is availability, then I will come in 5 to 10 minutes. Stop sharing, and I have to stop my. So see you guys. I will see you tomorrow. I think so. Um, bye bye.